Hi, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to talk through how to sign up for a PayPal account. PayPal makes it easy to pay for goods and services virtually anywhere. PayPal is highly secure and accepted by a large number of merchants all over the world. PayPal can be linked to banks and credit cards to quickly shuffle money around, and you can even sign up for PayPal Credit if you're looking for a new credit line. If you don't currently have a PayPal account, you can sign up for one in a matter of minutes. And now, let's walk through how to sign up for a PayPal account. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to paypal.com. Step 2. Click the menu icon in the upper left corner of the PayPal home screen. Step 3. Click Sign Up for Free at the bottom of the menu that appears. A screen appears that lets you choose between a personal or a business account. This video will focus on how to sign up for a personal account. Select Personal Account and then click the blue Next button. A sign-in screen appears. Step 4. Enter your first name and last name in the first two fields, and then enter the email address you want to use with your PayPal account in the third field. Enter the password you want to set up with your PayPal account in the fourth field, and then re-enter the password again in the Confirm Your Password field. Click the blue Next button at the bottom of the screen. The next screen prompts you for your address information. Step 5. Enter your street address, city, state, and zip code information. Enter the phone number you want to associate with your PayPal account in the phone number field. Finally, read and then place a check mark in the radio box to the left of the e-communications delivery policy to confirm that you have read and agree to the policy. Click the blue Agree and Create Account button beneath the policy. A confirmation screen appears featuring a green check mark and a message that tells you you're in. However, there's one final thing you need to do before you can start fully using your new PayPal account, which is to verify your email. Step 6. Navigate to the email address you associated with your PayPal account. You should see a message from service@paypal.com with a subject line that says, "Welcome, please confirm your email." Tap Confirm My Email in the body of the email. You'll be redirected to a PayPal login screen where you'll be prompted to enter your account's password to confirm your email account and open up full use of your new PayPal account. Enter your password and then tap the blue Confirm My Email button. A screen appears that tells you your email account has been verified to work with PayPal. Congratulations, you've successfully opened up a PayPal account. Thanks for watching. Click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.